Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to the attention fragrances are usually very good value for money. They smell good. They're usually under the radar. Not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do research, try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have another unboxing and first impression for you. And this is the brand Nayaat. Brand Nayaat is a subsidiary or a branch of House of Orientica. House of Orientica is one of the best perfume houses from United Arab Emirates. They've been around for a few years and they have a very extensive perfume lineup in their portfolio. And this Nayaat brand was created just a few weeks ago. There are 12 perfumes in their lineup right now. I unboxed and reviewed 10 of them, and I think this is the 11th one. And this one in particular called Nayaat Forbidden Blossom, I think. Nayaat Forbidden Bloom is EDP 90ml. This line with this shape of basically cap, I think they're all gourmand because he's representing ice cream, I think. So they are gourmand line up in there, this particular shape of cap. So let's see how it goes. As always with House of Orientica and also Nayaat, they give you everything plus the kitchen sink. Look at the presentation. Big bottle, sorry, big box, very thick cardboard. Attention to detail is everywhere. Basically, when you see it, when you feel it, when you hold it, it shouts quality, shouts attention detail, and it shows in the quality in here. So let's do the unboxing. Sorry about the when you do unboxing you can't do anything about the noise. Here we go. So this one retails for £75, and for that price, again, they're giving you everything plus the kitchen sink for the price you're paying. And look at this beautiful presentation. Attention to detail is everywhere, and it opens up like this and it sits in this gallery, and the bottle is super heavy and it sits in this gallery like a velvet gallery. Very nice. So this is how it is. The bottle is very heavy. The cap is super heavy. It's plastic, but it's about 200-300 gram of cap, and the atomizer is gold and modern, and it says Forbidden Bloom Nayaat 90ml. This one, all these Nayaats are tagged unisex, and let's see how it goes. Here we go. Very good atomizer. Although it's not pressurized, but it is very good. So how is this Nayaat Forbidden Bloom? First impression. Here we go. Woo! As the comb suggests, this is very gourmand. This is like I think it's ice cream when you're putting ice cream on a cone, and that is representing this line, and it is sweet. So first thing it hits me is the sweetness of it is very sweet. It's almost to the maximum sweetness. So you need to like your sweet perfumes. You need to be somebody with sweet tooth to enjoy this. Very sweet, candy sweet. So I'm smelling candy, I'm smelling vanilla, I'm smelling sweet fruitiness in here, and I'm smelling some big amber. So very sweet, and I think I'm smelling some tonka bean in here as well. Yes, got some tonka bean in the base as well. So it's a combination of few notes and few chords to make it very sweet. And at the same time, it's very gourmand. It smells like ice cream, smells like sweet, smells like pastry, smells like cake, smells like all sorts of delicious edible stuff. So you need to like this kind of perfume to enjoy it. In the same time, it's got a little bit of lactonic feel to it, very milky, lactonic. It's got is it coconut? Yeah, it's got a coconut in here, so it's coconutty, it's milky, it's lactonic, it's creamy. So you need to like this kind of perfumes again to enjoy this. Let's see what they say in terms of note breakdown, and we take it from there. So this is according to Fragrantica. So this one, on top we have marshmallow, orange and strawberry. In the mid we have whipped cream, coconut blossom and vanilla. In the base we have raspberry, musk, sweet notes and sugar. And believe me, every note of this note breakdown is there, because it's sweet, sweet and more sweet. So it opens up with that big marshmallow. It smells like, definitely, yeah, it smells like marshmallow. It's marshmallow, smells like sweet, smells like candy, sweet. It smells like one of those jelly babies, you know, those jelly babies, and also a little bit bubble gum as well. So it's sweet. The orange and strawberry here giving it a big sweet, juicy fruitiness. Yeah, very juicy and fruity. So it's fruity, it's juicy, it's delicious, it's mouth-watery. It's basically very gourmand. So in the mid we have whipped cream. Yeah, as I said, it's very lactonic, it's very creamy, it's milky. So that's why this cone of ice cream is very appropriate here. So it smells like ice cream, tastes like ice cream as well. It's so sweet that is my mouth is watering, because I'm just imagining ice cream in my head. So I'm a bit you know, it's like I'm craving ice cream right now. So coconutty, yeah, as I said, it's very coconutty. So it's got that milky lactonic feel to it from the coconut, and the vanilla in here is massive. So it's a big vanilla, and the vanilla in here is very creamy, very smooth, very delicious, very sweet. The raspberry and the strawberry here giving it a big, and also the orange giving it a big sweetness in here, plus the juiciness, plus the fruitiness. So it's very fruity in the same time. Musk, smelling some musk in here. Yeah, there's muskiness to it, but it's very clean. In the same time, there's a little bit of powderiness to it as well. And sweet nose, I'm telling you, it smells like candy. It smells like jelly babies. It smells like, what else? All sorts of sweets that you can think of. The smell of it is captured here very well. So it's very sweet, very gourmand, and very edible smell to it, and very delicious. So it says on top of everything, it's got a sugar note as well. So again, sweet and more sweet. So you need to like your sweet perfumes. Wow, this is probably one of the most sweetest perfume I ever smelled, and I don't say that lightly, because I have some sweet perfumes in my collection. As you can see behind me, I got thousands of perfumes. Some of them are quite sweet, some of them are very sweet, and this tops them all. So you have to enjoy sweet perfumes, but in the same time, they made it in a way that the sweetness is not sickening, is not too much, is not runaway sweetness that giving you a feel of nauseousness. Yeah, it makes you nauseous. None of those. Is somehow they manage to make it grounded, even though the sweetness in here is almost to the maximum sweetness you can ever get from any perfume. So sweet, more sweet, and this is fruits, more fruits. Definitely strawberry, raspberry, and definitely that orange in here, giving it that juicy, fruity feel to it as well. The marshmallow, the whipped cream, the coconut, the vanilla, and the sweet notes and the sugar notes in here, giving it that massive sweetness. So crank the sweetness to the maximum, and that makes it very appealing, because there's no middle ground here. There's nothing in here say, oh, a little bit of this, little bit of that. No, this is like full on sweetness, full on gourmand, full on creaminess, full on sweetness, full on sugariness, full on fruity, juicy sweetness as well. So it is a full on, and you need to like this kind of perfumes to enjoy it. That means There is nothing in here that say subtle. No, there is no subtleness, there is no relaxation in here. It's just full on sweet. This perfume, it will do superbly well in a nightclub, in a wedding, in a special ceremony, something like that, because this will cover everything else in that in that space that you are going to basically invade with your smell. It's very strong right now. It's filling the room, filling the house, so it's very loud in the same time, or at least for the first impression. So it's very loud, it's very sweet, it's very in your face, and it's very relentless, and is full on characteristic, and the body and the thickness of this perfume is full on in your face. This is a kind of perfume that is, I won't say it's a particular taste for particular people, but it could put some people off because it is a huge character to it. So it's a big character to it. It's, again, it is not, nothing in here is says subtle or laid back or relaxation. None of those. Is full on sweetness, and that is making it quite a particular occasion or particular taste for particular people. I absolutely adore it right now. It's just basically my mouth is watering because it's reminding me of many sweets and ice creams and anything that you think of edible that is got a big sweetness to it, like a syrupy sweetness to it. It just reminds me of those ones, and is making me, for some reason, making me happy and lifting my mood, because at the moment we are in the middle of winter and it's quite dark out there and it's cold, dark. This will do superbly well in the colder weather, so it will boost your mood up, it will make you happy, make you a little bit childish, it makes you a little bit playful, definitely playful. So this is very playful perfume. So let's recap for first impression smell of this perfume quickly. Sweet and more sweet, so you need to like your sweetness. This sweetness in here is amped up to the max. There is no in between. Okay, lactonic, milky, creamy, yes, fruity, especially raspberry, strawberry and that orange together, making it very juicy, sweet and very fruity in the same time. Hint of rose in here I'm smelling. Yeah, hint of rose, but rose in here is way in the background. Everything else is in the full front, but rose, just a hint of it in here to giving you this color of pink rosiness. And vanilla is one of the biggest player, although combination of the sugar, the sweet notes, the coconut, the vanilla, and also tonkamin, which they're not mentioning, all these together are giving it a big sweetness and is delicious to the max. So you need to like this kind of perfumes to enjoy it. What a perfume is! It's just, in a way, they cranked up the sweetness so much that it makes it quite artistic. It's making it quite edgy, big character, and little bit on the, shall we say, little bit on the scary side. Okay, it's not scary. It's just basically he's got a huge character. So you need to have a personality to enjoy this, otherwise this will wear you instead of you wearing it. Okay guys, so for the first impression, I'll give it 2 thumbs up. Yes, absolutely delicious, absolutely sweet, absolutely gorgeous, and it leans hint of feminine in here. I would say it is bang in the middle, unisex, but because of that big sweetness, quite floral, quite sweet and juicy and fruitiness of it, it gives it a little bit of hint of femininity in here. But to my nose, it's beautifully unisex. I am very happy to wear it in the next 2 days, no problem whatsoever. In terms of age, I would say this is ageless for everybody from 18 to 180 can wear it, no problem whatsoever. It's very playful perfume. And in terms of occasion, this is very deliciously done. So it's very good for going out, for a special occasion, for special ceremonies like wedding, like birthday, going clubbing and things like that, because this one will stand up will stand out. Definitely it will garner your attention, it will garner you maybe compliment, it will garner, is one of those sweet perfumes that is very crowd pleasing, it's very people's pleaser. So it is one of those perfumes. And in terms of season, this is better suited for cooler weather. It's got some freshness to it, but it is, I think it will be very glowing in a very high heat. So if it's a evening summer which is cool, maybe you can get away with it as well. Okay guys, I'll give it 2 thumbs up. Yes, absolutely gorgeous. This is another perfection in a bottle from House of Orientica and from this brand Nayaat. Very well done. If you have it, if you know it, if you tried it, let us know your experience. That would be useful for others to read. If you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable, or entertaining, please don't forget to hit those buttons. This way you help me, encourage me, motivate me to bring you perfume like this in future that nobody else is talking about. They're amazing value for money, they smell great, and they are hidden gems. This beauty is definitely a hidden gem. If you are interested in purchasing one of my own perfumes and support me that way and get something very beautiful in return, you could do that. I'll leave them in the link. I'm the perfumer, I'm the artist, I'm the worker. So there are true handmade perfumes just for you lucky people in the United Kingdom. I put more than 60% pure perfume oils in my perfumes, which is unheard of, and that gives them the huge character, massive, bold, and very long lasting. And also they're like time capsules. They take you to different places, different time, and they are very artistic and unique. And they are super beautiful, if I say myself. Thank you very much as always for watching. Thank you very much for your love and support, and I see you later. Bye.